So first of all, so today is our first day for our LWC, for our Salesforce classes. Okay, today is our first day. First of all, I want to introduce. So what is Salesforce? Everything I want to give you a better idea on Salesforce. Then after completion of that, I'll give you an idea. So what we are going to teach in the coming classes. Okay, how the classes are used to be. So how it should be beneficial to you. Definitely, I'll explain each and everything one by one. If you have any doubts, means you can unmute your mic and you can ask me. I'm sharing my screen. Is my screen is visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so kindly please make this class to be interactive. So every day, so definitely everyone should be beneficial. So I want to ask you some questions. Anyone know about on-premise applications? On-premise applications. Is I'm audible to everyone?
Yeah,
Yes.
Venkat, you are audible.
Yeah, yes. Anyone know about on-premise applications? On-premise
So,
applications.
yeah,
I
we
think
have to
it is
download.
within the organization,
Yes.
that application will be used within the organization that we are
Yes,
saying.
yes. Okay. So these things are nothing but on-premise are not, applications are nothing but you need to download that particular applications and you need to use it. Like so we have a Java, PHP, .NET, Python, or whatever it may be. So these are all the things belongs to on-premise applications. On-premise applications. So coming to the on-demand applications. So what is on-demand applications? On-demand applications are nothing but
It's like a tool kind of.
yes. On-demand applications are nothing but just we have a GCP, Salesforce. Just you don't need to download anything. Okay, like GCP, different things. You don't need to download any of the information. You don't need to download. I'm saying again, you don't need to download anything. If you have a browser and internet connection, you can develop the things whatever it may be very easily. If you have a browser and internet connection, you can develop your project. You don't need to download any of the softwares. It is nothing but on-demand applications. Salesforce is also belongs to on-demand application. Here you don't need to download any of the application. Just if you have a browser as well as internet connection, you can do the things whatever it may be. So coming to the Salesforce, what is Salesforce? Any idea to anyone? What is Salesforce?
It maintains the customer relationship.
It is a CRM platform, customer relation platform.
Okay, is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, yes, CRM. Okay, good. Yeah.
Customer relation management.
Yes, it's a customer relationship management. Salesforce is nothing but so customer relationship management. So we keep both customers and clients in one umbrella. Yeah, Salesforce is nothing but a CRM technology. It is nothing but a customer relationship management. Salesforce has been started their journey in 1999. Salesforce has been started their journey in 1999 with 3 members. Now it has been so more than 73,000 plus employees. So according to the market share, so even for Salesforce, okay, you can estimate like 22% among like we have Oracle. So different types of CRMs as comparing to other CRMs or whatever it may be, as comparing to other technology, Salesforce is a good market share. And also presently there are 150,000 plus partners are there. They are using Salesforce. Why they are using Salesforce? Everything I'll tell you. Even from MNC company to startup companies, even product-based companies, every companies. Even for example, if you want to start a new company, okay, after completion of this training, you want to do a job for 1 or 2 years, then you need to launch a new company, new software company. Then you can use Salesforce, okay, because it's a less budget. You can develop the client product easily with less budget, whatever it may be. That's why everyone is preferring Salesforce. Why I'm saying this? For example, if you take a Java or any other on-premise applications or any other thing, you need backend. It is being developed using Java. For example, it may take 10 lakhs. You need front end. Okay, like React.js or Angular.js, something, whatever it may be. It may take 6 to 7 lakhs. And if you take a database, again, they need some separate database, like Oracle, SQL, different types of database. It should be some 5 to 6 lakhs, some estimation. Definitely database is higher cost only. Again, so for example, if they developed one project, okay, they need some cloud. They need some cloud to deploy this particular software, whatever it may be. Okay, they need to use some cloud, like AWS something. Again, they need to invest 10 lakhs. For example, okay, without using Java, if the client prefers Salesforce, what are the advantages as comparing to other technologies? I'll tell you. Okay. For example, if the same application developed in, for example, if the application in Java is developed in 7 to 8 years, the same application here we can develop in, same application here we can develop in 3 to 4 years. Definitely time span will be reduced because there is a 50% of coding and 50% of, so like whatever it may be the configuration, you can easily develop it. Mostly here we are using configuration and also we are using coding. So everything will be easily developed. So coming to Salesforce, whatever it may be. So for example, the same thing, if you want to develop in Salesforce, the same implementation, if you want to develop in Salesforce. So here, the front end, so we'll use Salesforce LWC. So back end, Apex programming language, and database. We have a Salesforce admin. And no need of cloud. Everything is being handled by Salesforce only. No need of any cloud taking anything. Everything is being handled by Salesforce only. Okay. So here the client budget reduced or not? Is the client budget reduced or not? Once please
Yes.
tell me. Yes, definitely. Definitely. Here the client budget has been reduced. And also, for example, if they want to use any on-premise applications, just imagine if they want to use on-premise applications, they need to buy the softwares. And they need to use this. They need to invest. They need to invest some money. Here, no need of investment. Okay. So they can pay monthly basis. They can pay the money. The client can pay the money based on the monthly basis. Based on the monthly basis. So the client, the cost is also reduced. Definitely, for example, if you are a client, okay, so which one you'll use? Everyone. For example, you are a client here, so we are developing the same product in very less span, and also, so we don't need to invest at a time, whatever it may be the lakhs of money. So which one you'll prefer? For example, you are a client, okay, you want to develop your application, whatever the application. Definitely, in my view, you'll prefer Salesforce because everything is being developed in a very less span, okay, without using any hustle. I mean that everything is being developed in a very less span and also so very less budget as comparing to other technologies. That's why so they're using Salesforce. That's why the partners are also have been increased, okay, from past 1999 to present day. Mostly 1,50,000 plus partners are using Salesforce. Yeah. Apart from this, Let's see some of the customer success stories. Okay, who are using Salesforce? Anyone know about Reva University, which has been located in Bangalore? I hope so. L&T. Anyone know about Bajaj Finance? Bajaj Finance.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bajaj Finance is also one of the company. They are using Salesforce. Yeah, they're using Salesforce. So there are different types of clients are there. Yeah, Pidilite, ASK, and also we have Tech Mahindra, and Flame University, Unimark. These are the different types of customers they are using. AHA. Anyone know about AHA? It's an entertainment platform.
Yes.
Also, yes. So these are the Genpact is also a software company. Yeah, it is also using Salesforce. Nowadays, every company they are using Salesforce. Not a single company. Even from startup company to product-based company, every company is using Salesforce. Yeah. From past to 4-5 years onwards, it has been increased a lot. Even very small startups are also using Salesforce. Yeah, that's a huge market is been there for the Salesforce. You can observe. So from 2020, 2021, 2022, even in recession period also, there are so many jobs. Present nowadays, so many jobs, so many job calls are getting for Salesforce. You can observe in every company. Okay, from 2026, definitely it will increase it to more than 14 million. Definitely. Yeah. Even you can observe the market share as comparing to other CRMs. Yeah. And also according to the statistics of the previous years and the present, 20 billion. It has been increasing. That's why the more jobs have been creating, more demand. Every company, even the government projects, private projects, each and every projects, they're using Salesforce. Because it has a huge benefits as comparing to other technologies or whatever it may be. Okay. So this is about some information about Salesforce. Anyone have any doubts? Anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
On
Hello.
Salesforce? Yes,
Hello.
please. Yes, please.
Yeah, I have small doubt.
Yes, definitely, please.
Yeah, for Salesforce, I have 1,50,000 partnerships, right?
Yes, definitely. More than, yeah.
Why the employees are less? 75,000. That told, right?
No. Like I told that. Okay. So it's
Yeah.
not present. Okay, it's not present. Present you can observe. Okay, it's like a previous. Okay, estimated employees. I told about previous.
Okay.
As per the 2023. Okay, as per the San Francisco 79,000 plus. Okay, you can observe estimated partners. I told that 1,50,000 plus companies. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
companies here. Yeah. Yeah. You can observe how big is the Salesforce partner, how Salesforce promotes equality. There are different things. Just Google it. You can observe everything. Yeah. See 1.4 million in like 15,000 plus 1 lakh. There are different types of essential information you'll get on Salesforce. 15%. So there are different types information you'll get. Yeah. Yes. Any other doubts to anyone? On Salesforce introduction, I did not told what I'll teach in the coming classes. Just I given some huge overview about Salesforce, what is Salesforce and what we are, everything I told. So first of all, because this class is something like, I mean, that everyone is completely new. That's I given some information about what is Salesforce and how many partners are available and how it should be beneficial. So everything I given some idea. Anyone have any doubts on that? Okay, let's start. Let's start the things. Okay. So Salesforce. So what we are going to teach? Okay, so we are used to teach Salesforce admin, Salesforce development, Salesforce integration, and also I'll teach LWC also. I'm saying again, everything. Okay, whatever I'm going to teach. Okay, whatever I'm going to teach. Everything is in practical project oriented training. Whatever I'm going to teach, everything is in a practical project oriented training. So here, so will provide the recordings, day-to-day recordings, and also notes will be provided for each and every class. And also interview questions will be provided for each and every class. Interview questions for each and every topic I want to convey. Okay, different real-time scenarios also. In coming classes, we are going to teach different real-time scenarios. Coming to the Salesforce admin, okay? So first of all, so whenever you're dealing with a project also, so first you will create some database, okay? After creating some database, you'll, I mean that you'll do one by one steps, whatever it may be. So here, so we are parallelly creating the project and also we are learning the things. So coming to the introduction. So first of all, the first agenda, introduction to Salesforce. Whenever I'm teaching, so coming to the introduction to Salesforce. Okay. So first of all, so before coming to any other technology, you need to know some basic information. Either you came to any other technology, you need to know some basic information about each and everything. So what are the releases are available? Okay. So for example, if you take a Java, if you take a .NET, if you take a Python, okay. So they use it to update some releases, like every year 2 releases, every year 3 releases, something. In the similar way, Salesforce is also has some updates. Every year 3 updates are used to come. Okay, so what are the different types of theoretical things we learn here? Like after that, how to create an application, objects, fields, tabs, everything. For example, okay, I'll ask you one thing. For example, you want to create some insurance application. You want to create some insurance application. So what are the common things are there? Normally, insurance application or banking application. What are the common things are there for banking application? Hello, is I'm audible to everyone?
Yeah,
customer
customers.
login.
Yeah, customers, transactions, withdraw, deposit. There are different types of things based on the client requirements. This is nothing but application. These are nothing but objects. Inside the object, will create a different types of fields based on the client requirements, whatever it may be. In the similar way, so we are creating one application. Okay, for that application, we are creating different types of objects. We are creating different types of fields, and we are creating different types of tabs, everything. So what are the things which I'm teaching? Everything I'll provide. Everything I'll provide. What are the things which I'm teaching? Everything I'll provide the notes as well as the recordings, everything. No worries on that. And also I'll provide different types of files also. Yeah. So these are some admin concepts, relationships. I will ask you one thing. There is any relationship in between that with customer to, like we have some accounts. There are different types of accounts. There is any relationship in between the account to withdraw?
Yes.
Yes. Definitely there is a relationship. One person, one account can do multiple withdrawals. One account can do multiple deposits. One person can do multiple transactions. There are some relationships. Okay. So in this concept, I use it to discuss multiple types of relationships. Like we have lookup relationship. So we have a master detail, everything I'll provide different types of scenarios. So whatever now I'm showing you, I shown banking application. So I had an experience with insurance, e-commerce, telecom, and also with the networking projects, different types of projects. I have some experience. Every experience I use it to keep in our trainings, whatever it may be. Definitely it should be beneficial. Whenever you explore to any other project, these trainings, whatever we went away, definitely it will be helpful for you. So we have a roll-up summary, one to many. There are different types, many to many. Okay, hierarchical relationship. These are all things which will be asked in the interviews and also in the real time. In coming classes, I'll give you a brief idea. Okay. And I'll ask you one thing. So just we deal with banking application, or for example, if you open any water applications or whatever it may be. Okay. So it is your first name. It is your last name. It is your phone number, and you clicked on submit button. Okay. So inside your first name, if you enter number, and if you clicked on submit, it will show error or it will save the data.
It will show error.
Yes, definitely it will show error. Why it will show the error?
It should be string.
Yes, it should be string. These are all the things that have been defined under validation rules. Okay. In Salesforce, for our application, so whatever it may be, I'll create different types of validation rules. For our project, I'll create different types of validation rules. Okay. In this, we'll discuss different types of practical scenarios, and also I'll give assignments day by day basis. Okay, day by day basis. And I'll ask you one thing. For example, if you created one application, you need some security or not? Either you created any
Yes, we need.
application, you need some security or not?
Yes,
Yes, we need.
Definitely we need some security. Okay, definitely we need some security. In the similar way, so to save your records, and means I mean that like profile level security based on the field level security. So you need some securities. Data security is very important. Whenever if you went to, either you are an experienced person, either you are a fresher level person, any person, whatever it may be, data security will play a vital role in interviews, even in your project every day. Okay, data security. It's easy topic also. I'll discuss 5 to 6 days on data security topic. I'll give you a brief idea on this. There are so many concepts are available here. Okay, there are so many concepts are available here to secure your data for your application, whatever it may be. Either you are working with banking application, either you are any of the application, data security will play a vital role. Okay, I'll explain each and everything. And another thing I want to ask, anyone observed? So whenever you registered for the company or whatever it may be, you'll get some emails. Anyone observed? You'll get some emails with different types of designs. Anyone observed?
Yes.
For example, if you
Yes,
registered for portals, you'll get some emails. And another beauty of Salesforce is like whatever the things which we are studied in our training, the same things which will be repeated. Okay, same things will be repeated, because coming to other technologies, some things will be modified, but here 80 to 90% the same things will be repeated. Okay, so because we are converting everything into real time, whatever I'm teaching, everything. Yeah, you'll receive different types of templates, whatever it may be. Different types of email templates, whatever it may be. Either, for example, you register for HDFC Bank. You'll register different types of welcome to HDFC Bank. For example, you deal with insurance. Based on their client requirements, you'll design different types of email templates. Okay, whenever I'm teaching email templates concept, I use it to cover for our application. If you try to design for any application, you can design for any application. Either you deal with e-commerce, any of the application, you can design it. Okay, it is nothing but email templates concept. And after that, data management. Okay, I'll ask you one thing. So for example, so you are dealing with any of the application. Okay, you have a multiple amount of records. You want to export this particular information to the external system. Okay, how we can delete? There are, so for example, recently, so there are, so multiple customers are there. Okay, multiple customers are there. So there are multiple leads are there. Okay, we got that particular information from the external system, multiple leads in the Excel format, like lakhs of data. You want to import that particular data to the Salesforce. How we can deal this amount of data, whatever it may be. So we have different types of data management tools. So to deal all this, for example, if you want to export this particular data, for example, in the Salesforce, we have a huge amount of data. For example, if you want to export this data, yes, it will be definitely possible by using different types of data management tools.
So is this external data management tools or within the Salesforce?
Yes. Salesforce provided some data management tools. You can download them and you can integrate Salesforce with that particular tools. Okay.
Is it plugins or?
No. Just in the Salesforce, you have a download option. You can download and you can use them. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. In future, I'll explain. So by using data loader, data import wizard, there are different types of tools. In real time, you'll use data loader. So it can import some millions of data, whatever it may be. Okay. I think anyone knows how much maximum amount of data Excel supports? How much maximum amount of data at a time you can? How much max amount of data Excel supports can be stored in Excel? I think 50 lakhs. I think so. I think 50 lakhs. I think 50 lakhs. I think so. Something. Yeah, it is easy to support at a time. You can insert. Yeah. And we have different types of. And anyone observed in the COVID times, and also whenever not in COVID times, like you can take some incidents, statistics. You'll get some updates. Anyone observed? You'll get some updates. How much amount of people had been bought today, this insurance, how much amount of people has been the shares has been decreased, like that. We'll get some statistics. It will be done by using reports and dashboards. In the similar way, for your application, if you want to create any reports and dashboards up to date, you can do it. Okay, by using this. So we use it to create one project. For that particular project, we use it to going to learn and also design at a time. Okay, topic wise. And also we have different types of data automation tools. Like a parole process. workflow, process builder. Anyone listen this word flows? Anyone listen this word flows?
Yeah, I know workflow, but
Yeah,
flows
yes,
and
yes. No issues, no issues. Flows is very trending. Okay, so we use it to give different types of real-time scenarios. When I'm teaching the classes, I use it to give different types of real-time scenarios. Okay, so coming to the flows, we have a screen flow, record triggered flow, schedule triggered flow, like this. You observed or not, you'll get some emails time to time. For example, like you are dealing with banking project. This is the real-time scenario I deal with. I'll tell you my scenario. Okay, so recently I deal with one scenario. So for example, if that particular person had not been done EMI, okay, if he does not pay the EMI, I need to send an email. I need to send an email to him. I need to send an email. Well, recording update of his EMI. Okay, so I used the email templates and also used schedule ticket flow. Okay, to schedule this and to send this particular email every 24 hours. Every 24 hours. It is used to verify every 24 hours. So whether this particular person has been paid or not, if the particular person has not paid the money means we need to send an email in the similar way. So for Salesforce development, we'll use FX programming in future classes. We can see this. After completion of admin. Okay, it's user interface, UI framework to develop websites. In future classes, we use it to design one traveling website also in LWC. And also we'll design different types of applications. Here also we can create an applications. On Salesforce admin development, we can create the application project. Okay. Any doubts on today's class? Any doubts to anyone?
yeah, Venkat, I have one question. So
Yes,
how
yes,
much
please.
programming background, programming background we need for Salesforce?
And Anand, don't need any programming background. Here I'm saying it. Okay. So here I'm saying again. Coming to, so it's a good question. Okay. Is my screen is sharing to everyone?
Yes.
So here it is not a 100% coding. I'm saying again. Okay. It's a 50% configuration and 50% of coding. And the coding here, whatever we are implementing, I'm saying again, here the whatever the coding which we are implementing, it's very easy. Okay, from basic to advanced level, I'll teach you. Okay, it's very easy as comparing to other technologies. Whatever the coding is available, it's very easy. Okay, I'll teach from basic, even the 50% of whatever it may basic to advanced level, I'll teach you. Nowadays, everything are being converting to configuration. In future very less, I think in future, not now, maybe 20 to 30% in future. Presently we need 50% coding and 50% of configuration in Salesforce. And everyone, I'm saying that no need of any background, no need of any programming background, I'm saying again. Okay, so everything I'll teach it from scratch to advanced level, everything, even from hello world to advanced level, step by step I'll teach it. Okay, no worries about that. Any
So
other doubts
Venkat,
to any?
how? Yeah, again I have one doubt. So how we can come like get the software, all the software? How we will do the
Yes,
practical?
Anand, yes, Anand. So coming to the softwares, from tomorrow class onwards, here you don't need to pay any money. I'm saying again to everyone, here you don't need to pay any single rupee. Okay, regarding the software installations. Okay, so you have some browser and internet connection. Tomorrow, I'll show you all this information regarding the softwares, how you need to. Here we are not downloading any softwares. Okay, I'm providing one link. So just you need to log in. You need to register yourself, and after that you need to log in. That's it, with the
So
credentials.
is it like you have like installed software somewhere and just you are giving access
No,
to food?
no. It's publicly provided by Salesforce. Okay. It's
Okay.
publicly
Okay.
provided by Salesforce. Okay, for the users to use whatever it may be, it is publicly provided by Salesforce.
Okay. And one more question, Venkat, like after doing this training, how many years experience we can put here for the Salesforce?
Yes, coming to this, you can keep whatever it may be. I'm saying that. So because the thing is, I don't know about other, because I deal with other technologies also. Because past 3+ I deal, then again I came to Salesforce. Okay, from past 10 years onwards. Previously I deal with other technologies, then I came to Salesforce. Okay, so here the experience in terms you can keep, no worries. Up to 4 to 5 years also you can keep, no worries. Because the thing is here coming to the Salesforce. Because Salesforce, we have admin, development, LWC, we have a different types of parts. You can tell that first 1.5 year I deal with, first 2 years you can tell that I deal with admin. After that 3 years like admin development. Okay, from past 1.5 I'm dealing with LWC. Like that you can divide that information, everything. Okay, up to 5 to 6 years you can keep easily if you followed each and everything whatever I told. Because even an experienced person also, they are not being intellectual in all the things, only in some parts. In some parts they use it to be, but in this training you are going to be cover each and every topic which are there under the Salesforce. Okay, like in, because I deal with multiple projects, everything I use it to provide it. So in this particular topic we used in that particular like insurance project, e-commerce projects. Okay, whenever if you followed up to like whatever I told, you can keep 5 to 6 years, Anand. Yeah, minimum you can keep, no worries. Hello, Anand, is I'm audible?
Yes, yes, I got it.
Yes, yes, yes. You can keep 5 years
No,
minimum.
no, actually, I have experience in other technology like ETL and
Yes,
EI
yes,
tools. So almost I have
yes.
almost
You can
more
use
than 10 years of
them in
experience.
Salesforce. Yes, you can use
Okay.
them in Salesforce. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And another thing here, anyone Harbin came from Harsha Trainings, once please contact them in WhatsApp. Okay. So whatever it may be, the same timings tomorrow also. Okay. Yes.
So Venkat,
Excuse
if
me.
I have more questions,
Yeah.
so how I can connect with you?
Yes,
Excuse
you are
me.
from. Yes, yes, yes. Anand, you are from Harsha Trainings.
Yes, yes.
Okay, definitely, definitely. So what are the questions you have?
Yeah, if I want to talk to you personally, so how I
You
can
can
talk with you?
contact to Harsha Training team. Okay, they will connect with me. Okay.
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 Thank you.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Yes. Some are asking some questions.
Yeah. This is Shivani Venkat. I
Hi,
want to
Shivani.
know how
Yeah.
many projects we are going to work in this training.
Yes. Coming to these projects, I want to convey. Okay. So when I'm teaching all the things, I use it to give the project, whatever it may be. Apart from this, okay, the projects I use it to because when I'm teaching one topic, I'll cover now only when I'm teaching, I covered insurance, banking, different types of projects like this. When I'm teaching the class, I'll cover multiple projects. I'm not expecting the single one. Even when I'm teaching LWC, I use it to cover one traveling website. And also when I'm teaching this admin and development, so related to the educational application I use it to create. And also apart from this I use it to I use it to involve multiple scenarios like insurance, banking, e-commerce, whatever I have an experience. Like presently when I'm teaching the things related to demo, I teach it some banking like this. I use it in multiple projects, Shivani. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not been involved in one
while
project.
it is in training only, we are going to work in all the projects. Am I right?
Like I use it to give the scenarios. Coming to the main project, we use it to deal with one project, Shivani, admin and
Okay.
development. Coming to LWC, one major project, whatever it may be, Shivani. But when
Okay.
I'm teaching the classes, I'll include the different types of scenarios. Yeah. For example, Shivani, you are working in telecom project. Okay. You given some
Okay.
scenarios. Venkat, I deal with. I will include. Okay. Even it has been useful for your interview also. Okay. So I'll convert them into our training and I will tell the things, whatever it may be. Okay, like this, because I use it to cover multiple things. That's why I told. So you can keep up to 5 to 6 years. I'll include multiple information in our in our trainings. Yeah.
Okay. Then thank you.
Thank you, Shivani. Thank you. Because if you are involved in, for example, just imagine, okay, one person is there, one person has been working in 2 companies. They only know 2 projects. They deal with some topics. If definitely I'll say the people who has been completed their trainings, definitely they have some more hands-on experience because they have more hands-on knowledge in every topic and every project or whatever it may be. But the people who has been trained, they will feel some fear. But the thing is, they know best. If they had been done the things, means they know best whatever it may be. That's why even in every company you can observe that even after completion of the trainings, they are attending the interviews and they're cracking it and they're surviving in the companies. That's why, that is the reason. Yeah. Yes. Shivani, I think your doubt is clarified.
Yeah, it's clarified. Thank you, Venkat.
Okay, Shivani, thank you. And Sunil, you have any other doubts?
This is Vagdevi. I
Yes,
have a doubt.
Vasudevi.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
so
please.
do we need to do the certification for this? Like, is it compulsory, like mandatory to do?
Frankly speaking, yes, I mean that certification is not mandatory. If you need, means you can do the PD one. One certification is enough. Okay. So
Mhm.
or like after going to the company will sponsor you. Then you can do the certification. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Company will provide the watches. Yeah. Nowadays, whenever you are attending the interview, they are checking the things, whatever the knowledge you have, what are the scenarios you done. They're asking, what are the real-time scenarios you done? Okay, whenever they done the real-time scenarios, the people are not speaking it because they did not train on that. Okay, so so we are dealing with some different real-time scenarios, you can introduce that. Okay, I deal with banking application. In that banking application, I deal with one EMI. So whenever the particular person has been not paid EMI, immediately so the user to send an emails. These are some real-time things, whatever it may be. The same thing. For example, you told that Shivani told that I'm dealing with banking project. The same thing you can tell that in front of the interviewer, whatever it may be. So in this way, whenever you deal, so definitely you'll not face any difficulties in the interviews also. Even after going to the project also, you'll not face any difficulties. Yeah. Any other doubts to anyone? Any doubts to anyone?
Mate. Hi, Venkat.
Hello, Sunil. Yes, Sunil, please.
Sorry, this is Umaid. I'm from finance accounting background. So, what is
Yes.
the like?
And
What is it?
yes,
Complete
yes.
course.
Yes. Like if you have some keen interest to learn, okay, you can come easily to Salesforce Summit. It's not so difficult. If you have
Okay.
some interest to come to Salesforce, definitely you can explore this because you don't have full of coding. Here we have a configuration as well as a coding, whatever it may be. For me, you will
Okay.
not face any difficulty. You are from finance background. You are from anyone from BSc chemistry background. You can observe. Okay, the people from different backgrounds they're coming to Salesforce and they're surviving easily because if you because Salesforce is not so much difficult. If you know the things, you can easily survive. But you need to learn in a better path. Okay, from beginner to advanced level, you need to learn in a better path. That's the
Okay.
main thing. Okay, if you have a keen interest, you can do it. Definitely, Humid. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Humid. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Raju, please.
Yeah, I have small doubt.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm from Harsha Trainings.
Okay, yes, okay.
Okay. If you after the training, is there any placement? You will show that any placement for us.
Yes, yes. Like coming to the after the trainings, okay. So we'll send you the job notifications, whatever it may be. We'll send the job notifications. Okay, then you can apply that particular companies, whatever it may be. Then you can proceed it. Yeah, we'll send you the regular job because regular there are huge notifications are coming to the Salesforce even nowadays. So we have different types of groups separately for Salesforce. Okay, so after completion of the training, regular job notifications you'll get, you can apply that. Okay, if any references, if any company asks, then we can provide your resume. The people who has been completed the training will give the first preference to them. Yeah. Yes. Raju, you clarified your doubt.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Venkat, I have another doubt. So if I
Yes,
complete
Sumit.
this Salesforce training, it will be admin certificate. Or
I did not got it. Can you please repeat it?
no, if I complete your training Salesforce training with you, so what will be uh, uh, like the administration developer, it will be said, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
What will be the
Administration and development. LWC. Yeah.
so what will be this certificate completion name? What will be the course completion name?
You're from Harsha Training?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll get some certificate like you're going as like a fresher or experienced Humid.
Experience.
If you are an experienced, no need of this certification. Just you can directly apply to the company. You can tell them I had an experience in this whatever it may be. Just you can keep some 3-4 years experience and you can show it whatever it may be. If you need means from the Harsha Training, after that course completion certificate will be provided. Yes,
Okay.
for everyone. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, course completion certification will be provided. No worries on that. Yeah.
Okay. Course completion will be Salesforce course completion.
Course completion. Yeah. Yes. You'll get.
Thank you.
Thank you, Humid. Yeah, this is about today's class. Just I given some information regarding the Salesforce about myself, each and everything. Yes, I think hope everyone had been clarified their doubts. Anyone have any doubts? Any other doubts?
Hi Venkat,
Yes, who is this?
Arvind.
Yes, Arvind, please.
I have 2 years of work experience in system administrator. So
Okay.
if I want to switch my career to Salesforce, when I
Okay.
find Salesforce in Naukri or LinkedIn, I find more than 5 years or more
No,
than 5
no,
plus years experience candidates.
no, not more than 5 years. Recently, the people who has been completed their 1.8 years of experience, they got placed in Tech Mahindra. Okay, now recently in Capgemini 2.1. Okay, they landed their jobs and also in Tech Mahindra. Okay, so there are some jobs for 1.8 years, and also recently one of my students are also got some calls. So it's 1+ years of experience, not that. Okay.
Okay.
So minimum you need minimum 2 years. It's enough. Minimum 2 years. It's enough.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. And even TCS also released 2 years. I think 1.5. I think so. 1.5 to 4. And Accenture also released 2+. Yeah. It's because I use it to get regular updates from the students. That's why I use it to get these things. Yeah. Even some of the product-based companies also. Yeah.
Hello, Venkat.
Yes, Raju.
Yeah, for Salesforce for freshers, starting basic package, can you know?
Yes, I'll tell you. Yeah. Yes, I'll tell you. Coming to the freshers for basic, and I want to convey if you have some experience, whatever it may be, you can keep some experience after completion of the training, because definitely it'll capture a good idea. Okay, if you are some passed out, recently passed out, you are a 2024 passed out, or whatever it may be, then just you can go as like a fresher. For fresher, okay, so you'll get up to 3.5 to 5.5. Okay, in between 3.5 to 5.5. You'll get some 6
Okay.
also. And Raju, another thing, if you are a fresher also, if you are a 2+ also, the same work should be, Raju. If you have some experience, you have some handle experience, means you can go as like an experienced person only. For example, if you are an experienced person, you'll get some good package up to 10 to 12 lakhs if you are a 2 years minimum. Yeah.
For freshers?
For freshers, you'll get up to 3.5 to 5.5 LPA, Raju.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Raju.
Yeah. Is this
So,
platform?
Venkat, I have one question.
Hello, Jyoti.
Yes, sir. So I want to ask that do I need to complete Salesforce development also after Salesforce admin? Can I give interviews after Salesforce admin only? I
You are
mean,
from
what are
USA
the
or India?
scopes?
You
India.
are from
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jyoti, coming to, yes, you have jobs coming to the admin. There are less jobs are
Hmm.
there in Salesforce admin. So yes, you can give the interviews for the sake, whatever it may be. But if you, after completion of the development, so there are good scope are there. Like after completion of LWC, more scope. Yeah. Because more jobs are creating for admin, dev and LWC, because the development people are doing admin. Okay, that's why. So in USA, coming to the USA, so there we have admin jobs also. Coming to India, okay. So coming to the USA also, if you have admin development, everything, so there are huge calls are there. Okay, if you have only single admin, some less calls are there, Jyoti.
Okay. Okay.
Because
Okay, sir.
developers are doing admin. Okay, that's why they're preferring so developer only to handle, because they will handle both admin as well as development. Yeah.
Right. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you.
So Venkat, I have one question. So
Yes, yes,
for
please.
Salesforce certification, are you providing any terms or are you providing any support?
Yes, yes. Coming to the PD1 certification, you are saying that yes, we have some terms. I'll send you. Okay, like coming to admin or something, I'll send you, because every day, because every month, whatever it may be, every 20 days, whatever it may be, my students need to write, because before this batch, some batch students are there, they are writing some certification. Okay, so I'll ask some terms and then I'll share you. Even I have some presently also. Whenever you're writing the exam, once please ping me, then I'll share you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So what will be the duration of classes every day?
Coming to the admin development plus LWC, Jyoti, it may take more than 3 months. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because everything I used to cover from slow, like step by step, not slowly, step by step. That's why it may take some time. Yeah. To cover every topic.